Next is a whole number properties. The properties of whole numbers are based on arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. In that first one, closure property. They can be closed under addition and some multiplication. That is, if A and B are two numbers, if A and B are whole number, then A into B or A plus B is also a whole number. It means any two whole number, if add any two whole number, the answer is whole number itself. If minus and multiply any whole number, if add any whole number, the answer is whole number itself. And if you multiply the any two whole number, means the answer also whole number itself. For a subtraction means sometime it will be different. Minus into minus will become plus. If plus into minus means minus. So closure property under addition and multiplication. Now next property is commutative property. This is very important property, children. Commutative property, associative property and distributive property, three property, and identity, multiplication identity also is there. Now commutative property. Commutative property means just reversing numbers or letters. The sum and the product of two whole numbers will be the same whatever the order they are added or multiplied in. That is example, if x and y are two whole number, then if added or multiply, x plus y means sum of any whole numbers. X plus y, sum of any whole number will be the same whatever order they are added or multiplied. Means x plus y equal y plus x. This is commutative property. Just reversing numbers or letter. This is not a meaning of commutative property. Just to understand, children, commutative property means just reversing number. If x plus y equal, it becomes y plus x. One more example. This is example for commutative property. Then one more example means 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 means, what is the right hand side? 8 plus 5. Just reversing. First number will become second and second number will become first. Just reversing numbers or letter. And one more thing. 18 into 71. 18 into 71. This is in left side. So what is in right side now? What will come in right side? Yes, 71 into 18 means just reversing the numbers or letter. X plus y will become y plus x, or p plus q means q plus p. Just reversing. And 5 plus 8 is 8 plus 5. And 18 into 71 means 71 into 18. Now next is associative property. Associative property means only changes in the bracket and numbers and letters will be remain the same. Most of the time associative property in a trinomial term. So associative property means only changes in the bracket, letters or numbers, and numbers are remain the same. Changes in the bracket only. When whole numbers are being added or multiplied, as I said, they can be grouped in any order and the result will be the same. For example, if A, B, C is a whole number, A, B, C are whole numbers, then we have to form a associate property, whole number 3, A, B, C. Example for associate property means A plus B plus C. This is in left side. A plus B plus C. This is in left side. So what will come in right side? Same numbers or letters. No changes in the letters. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Only changes in the bracket. Only changes in the bracket. Numbers and letters will be remain the same. This is not meaning, just to understand the what is associate property. If bracket for first two numbers means here we have to put bracket for second and third number or letters, variables or numerals. Okay, if bracket for A plus B means here we have to put bracket for B plus C. So A first term is A, here also A, second term is B, here also second term is B, third term is C, here also third term is C. Only changes in the bracket. Now one more example. 3 plus 4 plus 8. 3 plus 4 plus 8 equal, what we have to write in right side? Same numbers, 3 plus 4 plus 8. 3 plus 4 plus 8. If I put bracket to second and third number, then where we have to put bracket here? First and second. Okay. Grouping is only changes in the grouping. and letters are the same, only change in the grouping. So here 3 plus 4 plus 8 and here 3 plus 4 plus 8, numbers are one and the same, no changes in left and right side. So here bracket we grouped here in a second and third, bracket for second and third number, here 3 and 4, first and second number. Any other example, children? One more example for associate property. 2 plus 9 plus 6 equal 2 plus 9 plus 6. Numbers are same in left and right side. Left side 2 9 and 2 9 6. Here also 2 9 6. Symbols also same. And if we have bracket for first two digit, means here we have to put bracket for second two digit. Any other letters examples? P plus Q plus R equal P plus Q plus R. If bracket for first, second and third digit, here we have to put bracket for first and second. Means we are grouping is only change in the grouping, and means bracket. Now next is distributive property. Distributive property means splitting numbers or distributing numbers or letters. This is to understand in a simple meaning. If x, y, z are three whole numbers, the distributive property of multiplication over addition is, if for example for if x, y, z are three whole number, the distributive multiplication over addition is x, y plus z. This is on left side, x, y plus z. Distributive property means the name itself say it is distributing to each other. So here we have to distribute x into x with y and x with z. So x into y plus x into z. X into y plus x into z, to simplify easily. And if a into b plus c, trinomial, a into b plus means distributing things to each people. Distributing things, for example this is chocolate and here son and daughter. Distributing chocolate to son once and distributing chocolate to daughter once, two kids. Okay, so here a into b, a plus symbol, so we have to write plus, and again a into c. We have to distribute a with b, again we have to distribute a with c. A into b plus a into c. For example here, one more example, a, b, a plus symbol is given. If minus symbol means b minus c. How to distribute thing? Now this is chocolate. Outsider, this is Mysore pak or jalebi. Or something, just imagine children. Now these are two kids, boy and girl. A into b, and once we have to distribute Mysore pak to boy, a into b. I have minus symbol, so we have to write minus symbol. And a into c. A into c. And what is splitting of number or distribution? This here we are distributing letters, variable to each number to simplify easily. One more way, sometimes we split the numbers to simplify or calculate easily. For example, 3 into 125 into 125. Now example, this is also one more example how we are splitting numbers, or 3 into bracket 325. So how to simplify this very easily by distributive property. Here we are splitting numbers. 3 into 325 is split into 300 plus 25. We can split into 325 or 1050, any numbers. To simplify 0 0 form, when last digit in a 0 form means it is easy for calculation. Now 325, here we are splitting number 325 into 300 plus 25. 300 plus 25 is equal to 325. No change. Now distribute things. Okay, 3 into 300 plus, so here plus symbol, and 3 into 25. Now 3 into 300, one group, and here plus symbol, so we have to write plus, and 3 into 25. Okay, we are splitting numbers. 3 into 300 plus 3 into 25. We are splitting numbers. Now this is example for distributive property under addition, so under multiplication and addition, subtraction. Now a into b plus c. This is given. Now we have to find the right side. So distribute the things. Distribute chocolate to boy and girl baby. So A into B plus A into C. So A into B plus A into C. So here A into B minus C. So here also A into B minus A into C. Distributing things. Now here third example, 7 into 4 plus 3. This is in numbers, numerals. Now 7 into 4 plus 7 into 3. Distributing 7 to each number. So 7 into 4 plus 7 into 3. And here 2 into, next example, 2 into 8 minus 4. So what is the answer now? Right side, 2 into 8, multiplying 2 with each term. Okay, 2 into 8, here minus symbol. So here we have to put minus symbol, and 2 into 4. Next is multiplication by 0. When a whole number is multiplied to 0, the result is always 0. If any whole number, if we know that if any number multiply with 0 means answer is always 0. Same thing we are saying here. When a whole number is multiplied to 0, the result is always 0. For example, x into 0 is or equal 0 into x is one and the same. 0 only. If first number is x or second number is x means if any number multiply with 0 is 0. 1 crore into 0 means 0 only. 1 billion or 1 million into 0 means 0 only. 5 into 0 is 0. 9 into 0 is 0. Now next is division by 0. Division of a whole number by 0 is not defined. That is, if x is whole number, then x divided by 0 is not defined. If division of a whole number means answer is 0. Division of a whole number by 0 is not defined. So that is, if x is whole number, then x by 0 is not defined. Now next is additive identity. When a whole number is added to 0, its value remains unchanged. If any number, whole number, for any number added to 0 means answer is the number itself. Means for example, x plus 0 or 0 plus x is x only. 5 plus 0, you had 5 rupees and no money from your friend, or the money is not increased. With only 5 rupees you have. So here 0, 5 only. 9 rupees, 9 only. 9 plus 0 means 9 only. 1 rupees, 1 plus 0 money means 1 rupee. What we have? 1 rupee only. So if any number added with 0 means the number itself. When a whole number is whole number. Just any number means in the place of number, right, whole number is added to 0, its value remains unchanged. And next is multiplicative identity. When a whole number is multiplied by 1, its value remain unchanged. If any number multiply with 1 means the number itself. For example, when a whole number is multiplied by 1, its value remains unchanged. Example, if x is a whole number, then x into 1 is x. You know this general things, no? So 7 into 1 is 7 itself. If any number or any whole number, 5, multiply with 1 means 5 only. So this is called the multiplicative 1. 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Okay, 5 into 1 is 5, 9 into 1 is 9, 1 into 100 is 100, 1 into lakh is lakhs, 1 into crore is crore only, the number itself.